kita perlukan support system. Belia-belia ini seperti layang-layang, kita main layang-layang. Talinya itu masih lagi ibu bapa yang pegangnya. Kita lihat kalau mereka itu pergi jauh, dah jauh, they go very far until we can't find them, so we have to, kita kena tarik balik layang-layang tu. I think mereka pun tak tahu macam mana layang-layang zaman sekarang. Semua dah digital kan. All play the game, something like that. So ibu bapa tu, I know everybody busy, but that's why saya kata sebagai belia, kalau anda menghadapi itu semua, kita perlukan support system. We need somebody. That's why now kita ada AI kan. Now sekarang kita masalah pun kita bercakap dengan AI. We talk to the machine. But the machine don't have the feeling. Dan saya tahu Dr. Lina pun one of the trainer yang buat AI kan. Then you know the good thing and the bad things, right? So if we pick up the good things, dia boleh sharing everything. Dia boleh take the knowledge, tapi diorang ni tak ada jiwa kan, tak ada jiwa, tak ada soul bercakap dengan AI tadi. Dan sebagai belia ni kenalah bijak membuat pilihan. Lepas tu perlu ada support system, and then you don't feel that you are alone. Jangan memikirkan anda itu bersendirian, because we need somebody in our life, to refer, to share the dream. If you want something that you want your dream become true, talk to somebody. You say, okay, macam Dr. Lina, maybe dia thought, maybe before dia keluar dengan new product, dia berkata, I want to become scientist, I want to do, I don't know, maybe you talk to somebody, that to your parent, whatever, and then they will support you. Kalau you terus pendam-pendam, dia tak akan menjadi. Jadi untuk menjawab soalan tadi, belia selalu kena fresh, kena sentiasa fresh, dan you need the support system according to your parents, your partner, boyfriend or girlfriend.